Hello everyone, today's video topic is to talk about the main advantages of outsourcing CNC machining projects to China. China is a global leader in precision production, and outsourcing CNC machining projects to China has 6 important advantages. It is a wise choice for you to seek cost-effective and high-quality manufacturing and processing companies. 1. Cost efficiency. Reducing manufacturing costs. China's fiercely competitive labor market and budget-friendly basic materials have led to a decrease in production prices for CNC machining operations, thereby improving cost-effectiveness. By outsourcing to China, the company can avoid making significant financial investments in CNC equipment, maintenance, and labor training. The above cost reduction has increased the overall cost-effectiveness of the task. 2. Mass production. Rapid production capacity. China's CNC machining market is well equipped and can effectively handle large quantities of production orders, enabling organizations to effectively expand their processes. Efficient production delivery cycle. Chinese CNC manufacturers often operate around the clock to ensure faster manufacturing delivery cycles. 3. Advanced innovation and experience. Acquiring the most advanced modern technology, Chinese CNC machining enterprises continuously invest in cutting-edge innovation to improve accuracy and product quality. This dedication to technology ensures that tasks meet the most stringent specifications. A knowledgeable workforce. China has a large number of skilled workers and engineers with deep abilities in CNC machining. Their technical efficiency is crucial for achieving excellent task outcomes. 4. Improve quality. Quality assurance. Many Chinese CNC manufacturers adhere to the highest global quality requirements, such as ISO certification, to ensure that Chinese CNC machining projects continuously meet strict quality standards. Quality assurance process. Extensive testing and inspection processes have been integrated into the CNC machining process in China, ensuring consistent and excellent product quality. 5. Flexibility and personalization. Chinese manufacturers are renowned for their desire to adjust their production lines to meet special customer requirements, thus providing a high level of manufacturing adaptability. By obtaining a wide range of products and additional comprehensive services, the company can provide comprehensive customized CNC parts for its China CNC machining project from a single reliable source. 6. Global occupational decline. China's strong export facilities and favorable trade plans simplify the logistics and delivery processes of China CNC machining tasks, making them simpler and more cost-effective for organizations. As one of the world's largest production industries, China has a wide and reliable supply chain that fully supports the China CNC machining project. This reliability also enhances the simplicity of global trade. In summary, outsourcing CNC machining tasks to China as a precision production center, simplifying global trade procedures, and providing competitive advantages for enterprises, make Chinese CNC machining the preferred outsourcing destination for precision manufacturing tasks. If you are also interested in topics related to CNC machining, you can like and subscribe to us. Thank you.